This short video is to serve as an introduction to how to log in to our family portal through FACTS. FACTS is the name of our data system, and the name recently changed from Renweb to FACTS. So you might often hear teachers and other parents mention Renweb, and really what they're meaning is the same thing. FACTS and Renweb are interchangeable. The first step you will want to take is to log into the system, and to do this you'll need to go to our homepage at hses.org. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the three lines or the hamburger on the top right of the screen, and you'll want to click on Parent Login. You can click on Student Login, it'll take you to the same location. And once you click on Parent Login, it'll take you to a page where you can enter your username and password. Our district code is HSE-TX. If you do not have a username and password, or you cannot remember it, please contact me, Brian Smith, at bdsmith@hses.org, and I will be happy to reset it for you pretty much any time of the day. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the school's front page, and you'll notice that your initials will be over here. And on this little section right here, you can click and you can change your username and password. You can adjust your privacy settings. You can log out. You can change your language if you wish. But most of the areas you're going to want to go to are on the left side of the navigation panel. And the first thing you'll see is a link for our directory. When you click on directory, it'll open our school directory. And this is great to use if you would like to contact any other families or any staff at the school. You won't have to go asking anybody for email addresses. It's all listed in here for anybody who didn't opt out. And underneath directory, you'll see a link for web forms. This is very helpful if you have any information change in your family. Once you click on this, you'll choose Family Demographic Form, and you can make changes to any of these areas. This student demographic form will allow you to change all of the information on your child, email addresses, names, addresses, everything, phone numbers. The student medical form is where you'll want to put in their allergies, a doctor's name, permission to treat, etc. The custodial parent forms for moms and dads, or for any parent or guardian, allows you to change your own email address or phone number in case those change. If you have a new email address, you'll need to either let the front office know, or you can come in here and change it. Emergency contacts can be updated here, and also people can be added as pickup options for your child for security purposes. This is something you'll want to keep in mind if you have any information change in your life. Next, you'll want to click on Student. And when you first click on your student, you can look and note that up here, if you have more than one child at the school, you can choose between the two children. This is a fake student that we created for the purposes of this video. On the right side of the page, you'll have their schedule. Each teacher's email address is hyperlinked here, so you can send emails to your children's teachers very easily. Underneath the student home is grades. Again, this student will not have any grades since it's not truly a student in the school, but you can go from class to class and choose which class you would like to look at and see the grades that your child has in their classes. We recommend that you and your child do this regularly so you'll always know where you are, so there'll never be any surprises. And underneath the medical section, underneath the grades, you will see a medical section. This medical section will reflect whatever choices you made when you entered information in the web form about medical, as far as conditions and allergies, any shot records that are uploaded by the nurse. Most of this information is maintained as blank, but the only people who can see this are you and the nurse. The event record is helpful if you would like to see if your child is going to the nurse on a regular basis. Every time a child goes to the clinic, the nurses log that entry, and it allows you just to get a good idea of what's going on with your child. So this is our data system, and this is our parent portal and our family portal. If you have any questions about its use, please let me know, and I'd be happy to walk you through the process, be it a password recovery or just general navigation of the system. Have a wonderful week, and thank you for being at Holy Spirit Episcopal School.